it for a minute now. Get you around here. She's pretty. She's pretty. Got some shoes on there. Original hubcaps. If you want to take a dump on, it's got a toilet seat, so there's that. That's the whiskey dancer on her around the corner here. She's doing alright. A little bit of rust right there and back here. We got some in there. You know, overall for 63 years old, she ain't bad. She ain't bad at all. Got her torn all apart. Doing this transmission down here. Pulling this all out. You can't go all Johnny number 5 on me now and short circuit because I didn't show you everything what I've done so far. I'll bring you along for the ride for the rest of it. See if you do this one hand. It's pretty bad. Look at all that. It's caked. There's no bowder doubters, man. A lot of gunk and grime. My camera still skills kind of, or not up to par, but we'll get there, okay? Just work with me here. Yeah, this is pretty bad. That's a lot of junk. That's the worst one I've seen so far, but again, this is only the second one I'm done. So there's that. Yeah, we'll get a nice one. Show you what this thing cleans up like. But this is, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. This guy right here, he keeps falling. He don't like the weight. So we're gonna get that guy over there jacked up. To help support this weight. Here we are, guys. That transmission jack's not liking this, it just keeps sinking. I kind of like the reverse board. Pull more here. Violent here, squish the spider. You're not biting me. You're a speeder. We got speeders around here. Speeding around trying to bite me. Just lost all our bolts in the ground, that's okay. I know where they're at. Okay. Just kind of unsure myself really right now. No, this pan likes this too much. We're going to go towards the back of the pan. But we still got to undo those bolts. supports you right here. Supports you. Alright, we got that all supported now. Hopefully it'll stay there. This guy likes to sink. So we gotta kind of work quickly here, but let's get this cross member here out. And get this stuff here out, get it out of our way, and throw it in some light. It's pretty nasty. Look at this. It's real bad. Okay, now I gotta go to the other side. Get these other two bolts out. If I can even find them. You see what we're dealing with here. It's this keg got me some cardboard down though, and a bunch of mess from a couple days ago. Gotta keep the mess going. If we don't keep the mess going, we ain't doing anything. Apparently I like hugging jack stands. You got death wish or something? Oh, this one's tight. I think. Oh, it's tight. That's a scary sound. Oh, I used to see this. I'll tell you, I'll show you here in a second. I thought the rest of this thing was pretty dirty. Alright, well, we got this thing out of here. We got her out. And, she sits right there because I damn near lost my finger and dropped it right here on my finger. Oil pan just slid and just slid right across there and just sliced me right open. Right open and probably wide open. But, oh well, you know what? That's the name of the game. Sometimes you just gotta almost lose a finger. It's pretty close to that jack stand. I'm not liking it. The cord's wrapped around there, but you know what? Let's take this sucker out of here now. We got 6 minutes of battery, or 6% battery life left. Last recording stopped at 23 minutes. I don't know why. Wish you guys could have got to see my finger almost get chopped off. But oh well. It is what it is. So here we go. We'll get this sucker out of here and we'll get it pressure washed. And we'll get that torque converter out of there. Alright, we got that all cleaned up. Let's jump under here, get this bell housing off, and get this torque converter out of here. Well, let's roll this thing on out of here. See if we can't get this ring gear off. Get that replaced, and then we'll clean this up. It's a little filthy. Let me roll this out of the way and I'll show you what we got going. I'm gonna pick up all my lock washers. Dropped them all. That might hang out there pretty well. There's 2. 3, we got 8 of these things total. And I'm blinded by the light. We ain't revved up like a deuce because we got this 4 barrel. You know? Alright. Alright, we're in the garage now. We're gonna go ahead and take and file off all these little nubs here. And we start whacking her off. Get it replaced. Just gonna use a Dremel tool with a little cut-off wheel. Let's get started. I got a majority of them done. We got 2 left, and then clean 2 or 3 up. There we go. Let's do a couple of these for you. Going on here. Not trying to take too much material, eh? Just the little lip they stamped out. He'll start getting a little small on me. Clean this one up a little bit. I didn't do too good of a job on it. Alright, let's knock this sucker off of here. Set you back up here. Hey. It's the old one. The damage to it. Kinda hard to see it. Oh, you can see that. It's chewed. Anyway,